Welcome back to Customs Unlimited. I'm Andrew, and today we're going to walk you through how to install the latest release from Venom trucks, an amber DRL override kit for a C8 Corvette. Venom Trucks has made a name for themselves in the truck industry and has decided to take on the car scene. Click the link in the description to see their full lineup of truck, SUV, and car DRL override kits. This kit transforms your C8 stock white daytime running lights into amber. It works by tricking your headlights with a plug-and-play harness that overrides the white DRL with the amber that is originally intended for turn signaling, all while retaining signaling and OEM functionality. Each of these kits are made in the USA and are a simple plug-and-play install, no wiring, no splicing, just plug the kit directly into your factory wiring. That means you can get this upgraded look without the risk of voiding your factory warranty, and it'll take you less than 30 minutes. Each Venom Trucks override kit comes with 2 override harnesses, one for each side. Today we're installing an amber override kit on a 2023 C8 Corvette. Let's show you how easy it is to switch these DRLs from white to amber. In order to gain access to the headlight harness, we're going to be jacking up the vehicle and removing this wheel as well as the fender liner. We're going to be utilizing these ramps so we can fit our low profile jack underneath the vehicle. Once the car is jacked up, we're going to use a 22mm socket to remove the lug nuts. Now that we've gained access to the fender liner, it's time to remove it. This fender liner is held in with 16 T15 screws as well as 3 7mm bolts and 1 plastic clip. 3 T15s are located on this bottom front lip of the fender liner. 11 T15s located on the inner side of this fender liner, 2 T15s located behind this mud flap, and 1 plastic clip. Once you've removed all your hardware, now it's time to carefully drop the fender liner. Before we attempt to remove the harness, there's a couple tips on how to unclip and remove the plug. First, you'll want to pull back on the red clip to unlock the plug. Use caution if you're going to use a pick or a flathead to release the red clip. It is easy to damage or break the red clip if too much force is applied while using a tool. Next, you'll need to depress the black clip to pull the plug off. Now that we've installed the driver's side harness, let's verify everything works properly before we tidy everything back up. Everything is working as intended. Let's hop onto the other side and complete this install. Great, now that this install is all complete, let's pull the C8 out and see how she looks. Now that the install is complete, let's run through the functionality of the Venom Trucks override kit and how it works on a C8 Corvette. First, you'll want to make sure you set the factory light control to auto. When set to auto, during the daylight, your DRLs will be amber, and at night, the DRLs will switch back to white automatically to match the headlight projectors. You may also manually control your DRLs during the daylight by turning your headlights to the parking light setting. This will turn your DRLs white again. We recommend just leaving the knob in the auto position and let the car do the work for you. If you found this install video helpful, leave a like and comment down below. Also, go check out our channel for more install videos, awesome lighting content, and the latest product release videos. If you're interested in getting a Venom Trucks DRL override kit, click the link in the description below and head on over to customsunlimited.com today. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.